This ceremony marks yet another important milestone in our partnership and efforts to modernize Nigeria's capital markets and ensure that it is well positioned to support economic transformation driven by private sector investment. The introduction of a surveillance system will enhance oversight over securities trading across all existing and future trading platforms and all tradable securities and products by the SEC. It will preserve securities market integrity, boost investor confidence, and enhance financial inclusion, among other expected outcomes.
A modernized and technology-driven regulatory approach which enhances the protection of investors, enhance investor confidence, leading to the increased participation of domestic investors, both institutional and retail, in the capital market, an increased impact on GDP through the capital market's role in the efficient intermediation and allocation of capital to the real economy to create jobs, encourage savings, and facilitate wealth creation. Increased investment in the economy through foreign direct investments and growth in the rate of domestic investor participation in our markets. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we believe that your support and our collaboration underscores the Commission's and the Bank's mutual goal to grow the capital market and create viable avenues for sustainable economic growth for Nigeria and the West Africa region.